Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate your items in Animal Company. First, you'll need to invite a friend to your island to help out with this exciting process. This method specifically requires two players working together in local play. You'll also need a small, one-by-one table, like a simple wooden table, and one item you wish to duplicate. Ensure both of you are present on the same island to begin this fun and rewarding endeavor. Now for the main event. Place your chosen table outdoors in a clear, unobstructed space on your island. The first player or leader should then carefully place the single item they want to duplicate onto this table. Next, the second player needs to rapidly spin the table around. While the table is actively turning, the leader must quickly attempt to pick up the item. With precise timing, you will see the item duplicate right before your eyes, creating an extra copy. Achieving the correct timing is absolutely crucial for mastering this clever technique. You'll need to find the sweet spot where the second player is rotating the table just as the leader attempts to pick up the item. It might take a few tries to get the rhythm down perfectly, but once you do, you can repeat this process as many times as you like to create numerous copies of your desired items. This method is most effective with smaller, one-by-one items that can be placed on a table. Before you start duplicating everything, remember that this glitch works best with specific item types. Things like rare fish, valuable insects, and certain pieces of furniture are excellent candidates for this method. However, not all items can be duplicated using this technique, so feel free to experiment to see what works for you. Also, be mindful that game developers often release updates that can fix these kinds of exploits, so take advantage of this opportunity while you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.